What if I told you that Claude just helped me make these thumbnails in a couple of minutes? Same with these motion graphics and this Instagram carousel. I spent weeks building Claude skills that make all of this possible. Today, I'm giving away all of them for free. And all I ask in return is for you to drop a like on this video. First, let's get these skills installed. So just grab the zip file from the link below and extract it. Then go to Claude, go to Customize, Skills, hit the plus icon and select Create Skill. From there, click Upload and add each file one at a time. It takes about 30 seconds and that's it. Now let's put them to work. A good thumbnail is the difference between a video that gets views and the one that gets ignored. So I built a Claude skill that helps you generate thumbnails that look like this. So first, let's activate the thumbnail designer skill by typing this. Let's say I run a geography channel and my next video is about the top 10 countries to visit in Europe. All I need to do is add thumbnails that inspire me visually. You can find thumbnails from the same niche or from a completely different one. Doesn't matter. You are just giving Claude a visual direction to work from. Then add this prompt and drop your video title or idea into these brackets right here. And we get a complete prompt ready to go. We take this prompt into GPT Image 2, which is free to use in your browser, and drop it in. And a few minutes later, we get our first version. Now, you don't have to stop at the first result. Personally, I always go back and forth with Claude asking to make adjustments to the prompt. So I spent a few minutes tweaking the thumbnail prompt with Claude and generating dozens of versions across completely different styles until I landed on the one I liked. And I think all of these came out really great. Now, if you want your face in the thumbnail, go back to Claude, drop in the inspiration thumbnails and use this prompt instead. Again, add your video title or just an idea into these brackets. Now, when you drop this prompt into GPT Image 2, make sure to also attach reference images of your face. And we get this. And just like before, you can just keep tweaking the prompt together with Claude until you land on the exact version that you want. So using this one skill, you can apply this to any niche, generate and refine thumbnails in minutes. So the hardest part of being a content creator is knowing what content to make. For example, I posted this without doing any research, and as you can see, the results were not so great. Then I spent some time doing research, made this post instead, and it got over 600,000 likes. And I've got plenty more performing just as well. But if you ask Claude what's performing best in your niche, you just get generic advice. Now we can fix this by connecting Claude to Verlo. Unlike the skills we just installed, this one connects directly to Claude as a live data source. And Verlo tracks over 4 million pieces of short form content across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts in real time. Once it is connected, you just ask and Claude gives you the most accurate viral content ideas. It takes less than a minute to set up, and here's how to do it. Go to the first link in the description and log into Verlo. Head to API keys, generate a new key, then open Claude, go to settings, connectors, add custom connector, paste the Verlo URL, hit connect, paste your key, and authorize. That is it. Now watch what happens. I just typed this. Using Verlo, find me trending content ideas in the productivity niche. For each one, give me the hook, the main angle, the view count, and exactly why it performed. And in a couple of minutes, we have some of the top performing content ideas in the productivity niche. These are real posts with real view counts and real breakdowns of exactly why each one worked. Take this one, for example, a split screen video contrasting bad habits with disciplined ones. No spoken hook, just visual storytelling. 1.27 million views. And right here, Verlo tells you exactly why it worked. Down below, you'll also find the biggest patterns across all the top performers and what's actually working best in this niche right now. With Verlo, you can track every single major niche. I can just switch from productivity to fitness and get a stack of best performing content ideas in that niche instead. You can top up your Verlo balance for as low as $10 and run your first content research session in the next minute. I personally use this all the time whenever I'm doing my own content research. The link for Verlo gonna be in the description down below. So now we have a proven content idea with real data behind it from Verlo. Let's turn this into a carousel post like this. And none of these pictures are real. They are all generated using AI. Let me show you how. First, we turn Verlo idea into a full slide outline. Let's activate a carousel skill and drop this prompt. Just grab the content idea that Verlo gave us and put it in into these brackets right here. And just like that, Claude gives us the full outline slide by slide. I tweaked it a little bit and went back and forth with Claude until the structure felt right. Now, the question you're probably asking is, how do I make these photos look so real? This is where the GPT Image 2 prompt skill comes in. Find 10 to 20 reference photos that match the vibe you're going for, activate the skill and drop all your reference images into Claude with this prompt. And if you don't have reference images, just ask Claude to generate image prompts that are related to each slide that it generated for you. Then just take those prompts straight into GPT Image 2 and drop them in one by one. For any slide that includes a person, just attach your face reference images alongside with that prompt. After about 30 minutes, you have all your carousel images ready. So once you have your pictures ready, take them into your editing software, add the hook and value text into each slide that Claude built, and you have a full carousel ready to post. What you're seeing on the screen right now has been made using one skill and one prompt. A year ago, this would have cost me hundreds of dollars to outsource. Now I just activate the skill and it's done. Let me show you this in real time. I'm going to take an actual line from the script of the video you're watching right now and turn it into a cinematic animation in under 3 minutes. So first, just activate the skill by typing this. Then I take this exact line from the video script, drop it in with this prompt and hit send. And we get a complete ready to use prompt. Now I select Opus 4.8, drop this exact prompt in and wait a couple of minutes. You can see that it's actually using the motion graphic animator skill as it builds the animation. And we get this. I also took a few more lines from my script and had Claude turn each of them into its own animation. They all came out great, but this is the one I liked the most. Since it's an HTML file, you've got two options. Download it and run it through an HTML to MP4 converter, or just screen record the whole thing. Now, if you want to get the same animation for vertical format, all you need to do is just use this prompt instead. Drop your script in, get the prompt back, select Opus 4.8, and a couple of minutes later, you get this. Honestly, it's wild that you can take any part of your script, give it to Claude, and get animations that look like this. And both of these formats took me less than 5 minutes. If you create content, you know how painful it is to write good scripts. So let me show you the exact prompt system I used to go from a content idea to a fully written short form video script in minutes. We already have the hard part done. Verlo gave us a proven content idea. Now we just feed that into Claude and let it do the rest. First, let's activate the script writing skill. Then I take the content idea from Verlo and turn it into a scroll stopping hooks using this exact prompt. Just insert the content idea into the brackets right here. And we get 10 scroll stopping hooks built around a topic we already know works. I just picked the strongest one and turn it into a full script. And if you want to change the hook a little bit, you can just ask Claude. Then I use this prompt and I insert the chosen hook into the brackets right here. And just like that, we get a finished script. Hook, story, call to action, everything is ready to record. So we took one viral content idea that we got using Verlo, we turned that data into a carousel, and now we also have a full video script ready to record. And if you want to see how you can edit your videos faster using other Claude skills that I built, you can find that in this video right here. I'm building more of these skills and sharing them with you every week, so make sure to subscribe to not miss that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.